All right, everyone, you need to watch this video before the blow off top happens. It is imminent. It is coming. I'm going to show you what to expect. And spoiler alert, once we blow off this top, I'm predicting, whoop, we come right on down, boys. Pay attention. I do not want you to get screwed on this move. Guys, I'm an Elliott Wave trader. I use Elliott Wave Theory to come up with high probability trades. Join the Discord if you want to learn Elliott Wave. It's free to join. There's a premium option here, obviously. Check that out. There's a Christmas special going right now, but bunch of free stuff, free alerts, free long-term projections, chats, all that good stuff. Guys, MEXC is the best exchange out there right now. There's no VPN, no KYC, great liquidity. If you're a leverage trader, you want to be using MEXC. Use my link in the description below for 10% off the lowest fees in the game and a $1,000 deposit bonus. 10% off, $1,000 deposit bonus. If you use my link in the description below, code is down there as well. When you sign up, you're going to need to use a VPN. Use a free VPN, Proton VPN. After you sign up and register, you don't need to use a VPN. All right? Now that we got that out of the way, we're going to be going over Bitcoin. We're going to be going over ADA because my boy in the last video, someone said chart some altcoins. I said what altcoins? He didn't answer, but someone answered ADA. So we're going to hit ADA. Leave a comment in the comment section below what altcoins you want to see, what stocks, assets. I don't give a damn. I'll chart anything. If I like your comment, I will chart it. Let's go. Let's get into this. I'm going to zoom out quick. Get rid of all the nonsense and let's get cracking. If you have not seen my previous videos and you are new, I'm going to catch you up to speed real quick. In Elliott Wave terms, I'm counting this as a finished 3 wave. I'm saying we are in a wave 4 and we're going to come up for one more wave 5 to finish out the move. On a grandioso scale, we are impulsing here. Stick with me. It's going to all make sense. And this is an A, B coming up for a C wave to complete our W, X, Y correction. This is my primary count. There are other counts at play. This is my primary. With that all out of the way, we're going to zoom back in on this structure that we're experiencing. Again, this is a wave 4. Into a wave 5. Keep that in mind. Now, as we look at this wave structure and how it's playing out, I have a correction for, it could be a WXY, but just to make it easy, I'm doing ABC. We have a correction followed by another correction. I believe we are going to break this high, come up to 45K, 45.2, 45.3. And then we will get an impulse to the downside. And I'll explain why this is the structure we're going to be most likely experiencing. In Elliott Wave terms, this is called a flat. You see it all the time. There's varieties of flats, but it's a flat. Now, when you have a correction down and a correction up, that comes 90% or more. 90%. It could be done here and we could be coming down. I'm not saying that can't happen, but I'm playing a break of the high. So when you have a correction that comes up to 90%, targets are right here and then also this box right here. So these would be your upper targets that we would see if this was to get broken of this ABC structure right here. Now in the middle, this junk right here, it's a corrective wave, but what it is another flat inside of our flat. So we have a correction up, a correction down. This correction literally hit 90%, tapped it, That's a regular flat. Now we should expect 5 waves to the upside. If you're gonna say this is finished, you gotta say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finished. It could be done, guys. This could be finished, right? And now we're on our way down. Another way to look at this, 5 waves up, would be 1, 2, 3. All this is 4. And now we're coming up for our wave 5 to hit up there. Now, in Elliott Wave terms, we have tapped into our wave 1. And you're not supposed to be able to do that. But this is a wick right here. Okay? This is a wick. Really, is it set in stone that this was your top of your wave 1? You got a wick there. So I mean, we're coming into the wick territory. If we break below this box, yeah, okay, we're done. Like if this comes down right here like this and takes out this liquidity, yeah, I'm counting it out. This is not a wave 4. This is probably the start of a wave to the downside, right? So I want to see this box hold. And I want to see us start impulsing out of here to 45.2. Now, as I zoom out, again, remember, we were looking to break this high. Let's get our fib targets back up on this move. Say we come up to 45.4, all right? And that's the final resting place of this wave. Then you would pull a fib because you want, this is going to be your larger flat correction then. So you would pull your fib, something like that. The 1-to-1 ratio is a perfectly valid target here. We can come and break this low to the 1.272. That would be nice as well. And then we can impulse up. Come one more swift break of the high like that. And there you have your finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside. And that's a finished complete wave. And you can expect a nice correction to the downside. This move coincides with all of the other charts, regular markets, crypto, DXY, it all correlates to this move. This move is visible on all the charts. Doesn't mean it has to play because there's other scenarios that can happen on all those charts as well. This is just the most likely one for me personally. Then we can get an impulse out of here to the 54, 55K region. So, long story short, heed my warning. If we break this high, I'm expecting a swift dump to the downside to come down to this lower liquidity. Take out everyone down here, and then we'll go up one more high, take out everyone here, and then we actually correct. It's my most probable scenario. Guys, let's move on to ADA. Again, join the Discord. It is free, linked in the description below. Right now, Christmas special, 50% off the first month. 50% off the first month. Okay, all right, enough of that. What are we seeing for ADA? This count right here goes perfectly with what I'm seeing on Bitcoin. Make no mistake about it. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so we can get a bigger picture. Now, what this is right here, this giant leg down, I mean, it just looks like an impulse to the downside. It could be some type of weird WXY, but it looks impulsive. Doesn't matter either way. It does not matter. Why does it not matter? Because this current move that we're experiencing, let me pull the fibs. It's going to be for me, it's going to be an extended ABC. And we're at the upper 2236 to 2618 target box. It's a very extended ABC, zigzag, but it's valid. Just like Bitcoin, we are in a wave 4 of an impulse here. The C wave impulse we are in a wave 4 of. I'm looking to spike the high in some way before we zoom in. Just classic wave 4, and then spike the high, and then we can get our ABC correction, just like Bitcoin. Then it can ABC to the upside for a WXY. Targets around literally $1. Nice round number. Probably will overshoot it. 1-1, 1-2. But that's the target I'm seeing right now on the chart. Again, we are so early in this entire structure. It's hard to say. When we get this move, I can be more accurate with the targets for you. If we get that move. Here we go. I have an ABC down. I have a correction up. I have an impulse down. There's a flat. Then I have some type. I mean, that just looks corrective up. You could call it done here. Then you would need to see something like that. Maybe an ending diagonal would be better. Something like that. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ending diag up to the 0.7. Take out this 0.75. Something like that. Definitely at play. Or you can have this. You can have a wave up, and then you can have an impulse to the downside. Then you have boom, 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 a larger flat. Take out this lower liquidity, just like Bitcoin. And then you can come up, take out the highs, and then you can correct. I like that. I like that a lot. Where you have A, B, C. So this wave here that we're experiencing, looking for an impulse out of here. Are they going to give it to us? I don't know. Impulse out of here that breaks the high, then we come down. So on all these charts, I'm really looking for a break of this high. If we don't get it, we don't get it. It's fine. It'll be another count. And there'll be another trade. But this is what I'm playing right now. Guys, if you made it this far, I appreciate you so damn much for watching this video. Subscribe if you're not already. Join the Discord. I'll see you in there. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.